What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite homegirl, Ashley, and I am back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be another episode of Cooking with your homegirl, Ashley. Yes, this is a cooking vlog. Today I'm going to be making jollof rice. Yes. All of my fellow Nigerians already know what it is. Yes, I am making jollof rice. Now, remind you, I have never cooked any West African dish, ever. I have never cooked any West African dish, so this was my first time cooking jollof rice. Not only that, but it was also my first time eating jollof rice in about 5 years. So I don't know what it was, but I had a taste for it. I really wanted to recreate the dish. I looked at several YouTube videos before trying, and I decided to just go for it, and it came out really good, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Cooking this dish was such a nostalgic moment for me. Just smelling the food as it was cooking, eating the food, it was just so beautiful, and it reminded me of my childhood, honestly. So I really enjoyed creating this dish. I really enjoyed creating this vlog for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy it. Also, fun fact, yes, I am Nigerian. I am Nigerian descent. For those of you who don't know, yes, my father is Nigerian. I was born and raised here in America. I have never been to Nigeria, but I grew up eating Nigerian food, obviously. For those of you who know me personally, know that I am Nigerian. I enjoy Nigerian food. And yes, I am always the African homegirl in the building. But yes, I was born here in the United States. So to be able to recreate this dish, it made me feel closer to home. I know for a fact that my ancestors were rooting for me. They were chanting me on, and I felt the energy. It was so strong and so real. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I am done talking. Make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my content. Also, make sure that your post notifications are turned on so that every time I post a video, you are notified. Once again, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for tuning in for another episode of Cooking with your homegirl, Ashley. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, Tony's over there in the corner actually cleaning the white rice. I am blending the pepper mix. That is basically a mixture of the red peppers, red bell peppers, tomatoes, and scotch bonnet, as well as some purple onions. So you want to go ahead and stick that in your blender and blend it up. That's going to be really important when making this dish. That's where all the spice and flavor is. Then you'll see me cut up some purple onions. Those purple onions are going to go in my pot, which you'll see shortly, okay? Also, guys, I'm going to go ahead and link the video down below that I used to help me make this dish. So yeah, if you want to see the video that helped me make this dish, I'll link it down below. That right there, what you guys saw in that bowl was chicken stock. So I had boiled chicken, and that was basically the stock from the chicken. That is something that's super important as well with this dish. It's packed with flavor, so you want to make sure you have your chicken stock before you even make the rice, okay?
SobProduction.com. Sob, drop the beat.
Okay, so this is not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. This is not, it takes, like, y'all, this is not as easy as, you see all this on my shirt, okay? I'm going to war to try to make this jollof rice, like war, literally. The rice is here. I did make a mistake. What I was supposed to do was add the pepper mix, which is this. So I was supposed to add the pepper mix first. So after I fried the onions and tomatoes, then I was supposed to go ahead and add my pepper mix. What I did was I added the chicken stock. I added the chicken stock before I added the pepper mix. So I completely messed up, but I'm still gonna try to salvage it. Yeah. So at this point, I just allowed the water to cook down just a little bit. The rice is clean. We already cleaned the rice. Tony cleaned it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add it.
Sob, drop the beat.
Yeah, baby. Hmm?
Taste?
I'm tasting now.
The big pieces are done. That's what you're tasting.
Oh my god. You taste it?
Sobproduction.com.
You knew it was good, huh? you know. You be knowing. Alright guys, so the rice is officially done. I made jollof rice and it was so freaking delicious. Despite my little mistakes, it still came out really, really good and I really enjoyed the dish. I made jollof rice. It was so freaking good, guys. And then in the previous clip you guys saw, remember I told you that you needed chicken stock and that I boiled some chicken so that I can get the stock from it. So we took that chicken and actually went ahead and put it on the grill. And that was amazing. I let Tony do his thing with the chicken and it came out so good. This was a really, really good meal. Hopefully I'll make some more West African dishes, some more Nigerian dishes. But for now, this one right here was everything to me. I'm so happy that I made this. I was able to make jollof rice on my own. And guys, remind you now, I'm not the best cook, but this rice was bomb, okay? Y'all, don't laugh at me. I wanted to make the plate look all fancy. You see, I went and molded the rice and everything. I was just feeling myself that night. I was excited. I was happy. It came out really good, guys.
Sobproduction.com.
Y'all, don't ask me why I let him say the prayer. He loved to use his little prayer time to make requests. So he be asking for all kinds of toys and electronics, and he's just a mess, okay? Hey, be serious. Be serious.
Say a prayer time.
Do a serious one. This is serious business.
Hungry food? Donut? Donut, man. Because I am
Grateful.
I know. Oh, I am grateful because they have to ask her what they did what you did. We are dogs. Mommy and Tony are we hungry by dogs. Amen.
Sobproduction.com.
You like it?
Let's go watch episode Princess Peach.
It's so perfect. I don't even want to dig in. I should take a picture first. Everything.
What do you think about that?